Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson we're going to learn Ukrainian future tense and its two forms. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below if you still have any questions about this topic. So guys, we have already learned with you how to form present tense and past tense in Ukrainian language, and today we're going to learn the future tense, future imperfective, and its two forms. So guys, great news again, the same as in the past tense. It is very easy to form the future tense, although there are two forms, but anyway, they are very easy. Believe me, you just need to learn only one type of endings for each form. That's it. So we're going to start with the complex form. So how we form it? So we just need to take the verb to be and put it in the future tense, just conjugate it for the future tense. So я буду, it means I will. Я буду. Ти будеш, it means you will. This is informal you. Він, вона, воно буде. He, she, it will. Ми будемо, we will. Ви будете, this is formal you. You will, вони будуть, they will. Let's read one more time. Я буду, ти будеш, він, вона, воно буде, ми будемо, ви будете, вони будуть. So guys, and how we form it? So we just use a noun or pronoun. It's clear, yeah, when we need to make a basic sentence, then we use this conjugation form of the verb to be in the future, and we just use infinitive form with it. That's it. So you just you don't need to conjugate the second verb. It should be in the infinitive form, and that's very easy. You just need to remember how we form the verb to be. So for example, you want to say I will go. Я буду йти. Я буду йти. I will go. Ти будеш йти. The same form. Він, вона, воно буде йти. He, she, it will go. Ми будемо йти. We will go. Вони будуть йти. You will go, and вони будуть йти. They will go. So you can see, йти, it means to go on foot. And you just take this infinitive form, йти, to go, and use it with each of this form. For example, you want to say, I will speak. So the verb to speak means говорити. So I will speak. Я буду говорити. You will speak. Ти будеш говорити. He, she, it will speak. Він, вона, воно буде говорити. Ми будемо говорити. Ви будете говорити. Вони будуть говорити. Another example. For example, the verb to learn, вчити. I will learn. Я буду вчити. You will learn. Ти будеш вчити. He, she, it will learn. Він, вона, воно буде вчити. Ми будемо вчити. We will learn. Ви будете вчити. You will learn. Вони будуть вчити. They will learn. That's it. Very easy. So guys, please write down your own examples of usage of complex form of future tense in the comments below, and I will check it out. And let's learn the simple way, the simple form of future tense in Ukrainian language. And now it's time to learn how to form the simple form of Ukrainian future tense. So you just need to add appropriate endings to each person. I wouldn't say that this is just a conjugation, because you don't have to omit the infinitive ending ty and then to change the ending. You just need to add it to the infinitive verb, and it's very easy. There are no any types of endings. There is only one type of ending for each person, and there are no any exceptions, so thanks God. So let me show you how to form it. For example, let's take the verb. For example, the verb писати, to write. Писати. So писати, it means to write. This is infinitive form. And if you want to say I will write, you can say я писатиму. So you see, we just added these endings, and it means I will write. So if you want to say you will write, the same formula, we write infinitive form писати, and we add this ending mesh. Mesh. Ти писатимеш. You will write. Він, вона, воно. Писатиме. Він, вона, воно. Писатиме. He, she, it will write. Ми писатимемо. You see? Ви писатимете. And вони писатимуть. Писатимуть. They will write. And you can use this formula with each infinitive verb. Doesn't matter. For example, work. Work – працювати. I will work. Я працюватиму. Ти працюватимеш. Він, вона, воно працюватиме. Ми працюватимемо. Ви працюватимете. Вони працюватимуть. So you see how it works? So you can ask me, Ina, okay, we got it. There are two forms or two ways how to form Ukrainian future tense. Complex and simple. You're right. The first one, complex, you just use the verb to be in the future, will, and its conjugation forms, буду, будеш, and so on. Or with the help of simple form, you just have to add appropriate endings to their infinitive verbs. You're right. But when do I have to use complex and when do I need to use simple? So guys, there are no any difference in meaning between these two forms. You can use any of them. But let me tell you one thing, due to the rules of Ukrainian language, this one simple form, it is more correct if you want to sound more natural or to use the true modern Ukrainian language of the modern Ukrainian literature, then you can use this one. And the form with the verb will, it is more colloquial one. But anyway, I use more often with the verb to be in the future to tell the truth when I speak, but I use this one too, but not so often. So guys, if you want to practice more how to use this Ukrainian future tense and to do so many exercises and to get more explanations from the professional Ukrainian teachers who are native speakers and who have master's degree and PhD in linguistics, then you can check out my online Ukrainian language school, Speak Ukrainian, speakia.com, where you can purchase just a trial lesson just for $1. Also there you can find so many useful learning materials, textbooks, flashcards, app, So it will be very useful, I'm sure, for you. And if you really like my video lessons, you can support me and my project on patreon.com, or you can just donate any sum of money. You can find all the links under this video. Just check out the description. And I will be more motivated to keep working on my project and create more and more video lessons for you. So, побачимось скоро, see you soon, and па-па!